Hey y'all, so I wanted to come on really quickly. I'm actually doing a Zoom so you can see my screen. I thought this would be a great opportunity to do a trade in real time on the Webull platform and just kind of talk through what's happening today on the market. Today is Monday, January 27th. And if you're following the news, hold on, guys, I'm just going to share my screen real quick. If you're following the news, I'm sure you heard about China's DeepSeek AI, which is going to be a new AI that is boasting that it's going to be it's going to be free. And then let's just walk through what DeepSeek is, right? So DeepSeek AI, China DeepSeek AI rolls US stocks at open, brings doubt about the United States tech stocks. So we're seeing a real lead. If you have options in the market, or if you have even in like Nvidia stocks, you notice that they took a huge plunge this morning. So the news is reporting um, a Chinese startup rattled markets with its new artificial intelligence model that poses a threat to United States AI dominance. At 1024, NVIDIA shares went down 13% and Broadcom down 13%. Other chips like Micron declined and AMD. So the Chinese startup DeepSeek, released on January 20th, is a cost-efficient AI model that competes with our OpenAI using a fraction of the computing power or the type of technology sold by NVIDIA and other companies. So DeepSeek said it costs less than $6 million to train it. American venture capitalist Mark Anderson called the model one of the most amazing and impressive breakthroughs that they've seen. The success of DeepSeek could force companies to reevaluate computing power needs, which could cause 2026 AI spending to fall or not grow. Now, here's the gamble that I'm considering making, which would trigger these trades that I'm about to show you. So I have invested in contracts with AMAT, Avgo, and ANET, right? And we're going to go over what each of those are and why there's a connection here. So let's do Avgo first. So Avgo is an AI chip maker by Broadcom, and it tumbled by 14% today after DeepSeek, right? Or any type of chip, any type of manufacturing infrastructure that supports this industry. If you've invested in that, you saw a fall. So I did a contract in Avgo. I did a contract in ANET. Arista Networks is an American computer network company headquartered in California. The company designs and sells multi-layer network switches to deliver software-defined networking for data centers, cloud computing, that kind of thing. And then AMAT supplies equipment, services, and software for the manufacture of semiconductor chips for electronics, flat panel displays for computers, smartphones, that kind of thing. So today, their contract prices are at 50% of the price that I bought them last week. What I'm considering doing is actually just doubling my portfolio with more of those contracts since they are officially on sale. And the first one that I looked at was Avgo. I paid $25 for it, and it's 60% down at $11 per contract. A net I bought at $18 is 57% down at $10 per contract. And AMAT is only down 33% at $12 per contract. But at least for the first two, I'm like, man, I should pad the portfolio. And I think I'm going to take the chance on a net with this one. And I'm going to I set a strike price of 120 for a September 2025 call. 120 strike price. It's actually at 10. It's being bid at $10 right at this moment, which is really good. I currently own two, and I think I want to buy two more, but I'm going to check out the volume is 69. The open interest is 163, and the delta is 0.43. And 0.43, that for every dollar that it moves up, my contract price will go up 43 cents. So if I purchase two, that would put me at $2,000, which isn't bad. I can absorb the loss. I think I have, let me see, how much money do I have in my account? How much cash do I have in my account? Um, okay. Ooh, decisions. And this is just the emotional part of investing. Do I have confidence in the American market, American AI market to override what China is offering? Do I believe that over time it will recorrect itself and get back on track? Because Friday, I was up at least 40% on all three of these contracts. Um, hmm. Before I make the move, I'm going to think about it. I'm going to think about it a little bit more before I pull the trigger. I'm not really concerned too much about what I own currently and its dip because, again, it's a long leap. I have plenty of time to see it reverse if it's going to. And then I have other contracts that are doing really well that will continue to do well. That's going to make up for these losses, even if I do lose out on it. So, um, let me think on it a little bit more. And I'll come back and record it if I decide to move forward. But if I were to buy it, you see here, I put in my two contracts for the limit price, and the limit price for that particular contract is $10.50. I got $10 in my, I will probably increase that to the bid price at the very least. And then that would bring me to a total of 220. I would place order, and then when someone fills it, it would just come up in my positions. So yeah, I just felt like talking about that. As you can see, I'm back. I've been MIA for the last 2 weeks because I have been horribly sick. I lost my voice, so I couldn't make any videos, but I'm back on track and I'm gonna do during that 2 week time, I decided to do a pivot or another pivot on the channel. This channel has gone through so many changes, but if you follow me long enough, you know I'm really just trying to find my way here. Um, I'm going to change the name. It's going to go through another name change again to and be called the neurodivergent investor. And that's because what I'm noticing is that I get more engagement on my videos about investing, my video reviews on Trapper's Course, and people have questions here and there about my journey in this process. So I have decided, I'm not even saying I think, I have decided to focus more on providing resources and education on options trading and stock investing on this channel. And I'm going to minimize my conversations about my personal day-to-day life because y'all ain't interested in that. That's all right, because I get it. I mean, I'm not the most entertaining. I am an educator by nature, so it's really a better fit for me anyway. So stay tuned in. I'll have a set of shorts created about Options 101 in a nice, fun and engaging and simplified way. And then my long form videos will just be me tracking my own journey and then just doing things like this, hopping in on days when new news comes out and how it affects me and my portfolio and the different changes that I'm going to make. So I'm going to wrap this video up here. If I make any changes, I'll probably add an addendum to this video. So I might see you later. If not, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, y'all. So after consulting with the community, I have decided to go with purchasing some more ANE and net. That's what I'm going to call it, is ANET is the ticker symbol, and it actually went down a little more since I made the video. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen once again, and I'm going to show you guys, where's the desktop? You're going to go back to Webull. I think I'm already there. It was already there. And my call, oh, look at that. It went down to 970. The ask price is 10. I'm going to do 990 as my limit price. It's $1,900. Oh, wait, it went down some more. It went down to 985 just that quick. Ooh, this thing is dropping like crazy. Um, I think I might keep it at 9. Yeah, I'll keep it at 990. So I am going to, let me just make sure. So my strike, I mean, not my strike price. My strike price is, nope, wrong strike price. No, that's right strike price, 120. Expiration date, September 19th. I got 2 contracts. It's going to cost me 1980. Oh, it went down to somebody's bidding at 1970. I'm going to bring my limit price down to 1980 to see if it fills there, and place order. So I added 2 more contracts and it's been filled. So I added 2 more contracts to that. And let's see. Do I want to buy any more? I think I'm gonna, I think I'm gonna stop there. I'm just gonna buy the 2. I feel like I caught a good deal, and we're gonna run this thing all the way back up to 30, 25, $30 per contract like it was on Friday. Because based on what I've been seeing so far, people are saying it's not better than OpenAI. It's actually a lot slower. So forgive me if my voice is a little low because I'm still recovering from this cold, but just wanted to show y'all that play, how I'm managing my emotions through this red sea of a market that we're having here, that I'm down literally $9,000. But it's cool because, like I said, I've been taught really well, and I have a great support system in Trappers community. So until next time, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, if you would like me to go and talk about anything else as it relates to the context of this video, let me know and I'll be happy to create a video answering any questions. See you guys in the next video.